Hi there, students. Bona fide. Okay, bona fide is a Latin phrase. Bona fide means either in good faith or it means real and genuine. Okay, in both of these meanings, it's an adjective. So he made me a bona fide offer to buy my house. Okay, made in good faith, made without fraud or without deceit. Yeah. For a peace negotiation to work, there needs to be a bona fide intention on both sides to make peace. The other meaning we use for bona fide is real, genuine. Yeah. So, when you see branded products for sale, sometimes it's difficult to know if it's a bona fide product or if it's a copy, a fake. Yeah. So, bona fide. Let's see, when you give money to a charity, you are assuming that it's a bona fide charity that's designed to help people. It's not my charity that I've put together to give myself a job that pays me €5,000 a month in order to maybe distribute €100 a month to lost animals. So a bona fide, the real thing, true, not real, true, not false, legal and honest. So a bona fide commercial transaction. I know of people who have married someone in order to get citizenship of a certain country, but very often the governments may investigate to make sure that it's a bona fide marriage and not just a marriage of convenience. You know, it's good for both sides, as in one pays the other and the other one gets the nationality. So this picture is a bona fide Picasso. Yeah, it's been authenticated by various different experts. Well, does that mean it's the real thing? Okay, so bona fide, undertaken in good faith, a bona fide offer, sincere, open, genuine, and not full of deceit. And then bona fide, not a counterfeit, not a copy, authentic, genuine, the real thing, the real McCoy. Yeah. So yeah, I'm happy to donate to bona fide charitable causes. I see politicians and I wonder if they are really bona fide, if they're there to act to help the population, or if they're only after their after fame, fortune, and a few backhanders. Let's see, bona fide, formality. I think I'm going to give this a 5 in formality. I think you could use it absolutely anywhere. It's common. It's really quite commonly used, and it comes from Latin, bona fide. Or from bona fides, meaning bona, good, and fides, faith. So in good faith, genuine, sincere. Yeah, genuinely, sincerely. Notice you can also use bona fide as an adjective. He offered bona fide to help me. Yeah, he meant it. It wasn't just something to impress everybody around. Okay, so bona fide. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bona fide, the real McCoy.